For this Google Classroom today, we're going to be working on one more and one less. We're working with the numbers between 20 and 40. Now there's a number line at the top to help you with your numbers. What you're going to do is you're going to look at the middle circle and see what number you're working with for this slide. I see this is the number 32. So first thing I'm going to do is find it. I'm going to take my oval and I'm going to drag it over top of the 32 on the number line. Then I'm going to go to one more. Now I can use the number line to help me, or I can just use my brain. So one more than 32 is, I know, 33. So I'm going to double click, which means 2 times on the question mark, and use my keyboard to type in 33. After that, I'm going to do one less. So this one I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to again double click, and then type in the number 31. And then I'm going to go down below and do my 2 math equations. I have 32 minus 1 and then 32 plus 1. I can use my number line to help me if I need it. So I'm going to do 32 minus 1, double click on the question mark, and type in your answer. And then come to 32 plus 1, double click on the question mark, and then type in your answer. And it's okay if it does that. You can either extend that or just leave it. Your teacher can still see it. After that, I will go to the other slides here on the side, and when I'm all finished, I'm going to turn it into the teacher.